Many students lose easy marks in JAMB English, not because it's hard, but because they don't understand that Lexis and Structure really tests. Good morning, I'm Tutor Elsa. Today I'll explain the JAMB syllabus for English, Lexis and Structure. Stay with us, don't scroll, and you'll gain more. Lexis and Structure is the part of the exam that checks your vocabulary, grammar, and sentence understanding. Here's what you'll see in this section. First, synonyms. Second, antonyms. Third, homonyms. And fourth, clause and sentence patterns. Word classes and their functions. Mood, tense, aspect, number, concord, degree. Tags. Next, punctuation and spelling. Finally, ordinary, figurative, and idiomatic use. Synonyms are words that mean the same or nearly the same. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite. Homonyms are words that sound alike but have different meanings. For example, flower and flower, or right and right. Word classes and their functions. Mood, tense, aspect, number, concord, tag. Punctuation and spelling, and finally, ordinary, figurative, and idiomatic usage. In this series, we'll go topic by topic so you can answer Lexis and Structure questions confidently. Next, we'll start with synonyms, the easiest way to begin building your vocabulary for JAMB. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications for updates.